Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's talk about how India is moving towards closer trade relations with the European Union and why this is an important step for our economy. India and Europe share a long trading history that goes back nearly 250 BC. Even before the Silk Road era, for more than 2000 years, India's product like muslins, cotton, handicraft, spices, emer, emerald, emer, emeralds, and games were highly valued across international markets. India's traders built wide trade networks, and the India Europe trade achieved a strong scales over time. To strengthen this historic relationship, India and the European Union began discussions on a free trade agreement, also known as an FTA, in 2007. However, the talks were paused in 2013 due to difference on multiple issues. The negotiations restarted in 2022, and despite many challenges, both sides moved forward with strong political commitments and leadership. This agreement is historic not only because of its size but also because of its depth. It covers a wide range of topics and disciplines, and both India and the EU found common ground on several difficult issues. It is expected to become one of the largest free trade areas in the world, covering never 2 billion people across 28 countries, representing about 25% of global GDP. The agreement is modern and forward looking. It includes details rules on goods and services, investment, inter- intellectual properties, digital trade, and technology transfer. Only products with significant processing and production in partner countries will get country of origin benefits, ensuring fairness and transparency. One of the biggest advantages of this agreement is market access. The EU will offer access to more than 99% of India's exports by value. Around 90% of these exports will get immediate duty free access once the agreement comes into force. Labor intensive sectors such as textile, clothing, leathers, games, and jewelry, wood products, and margin goods are expected to gain significantly. Other industries like chemicals, electronics, agri processing, and mineral with also benefits by expanding into European market. At the same time, India has uh, taken a balanced approach. Market access for EU automobiles has been allowed in a phased and controlled manner through traffic quotas. Tariff quotas. India has protected sensitive domestic sectors like agriculture, dairy, and small farmers while still moving forward with liberalization. The agreement also bring a major opportunity in the services sector. India has strengths in IT professional services and digital solutions. The agreement covers 144 service sectors, making it easier for Indian professional and service suppliers to work temporarily in the EU. Financial services and digital payment will see stronger corporate cooperations. India's exp- expertise in digital payment systems can be leveraged in European markets. The agreement also allows practitioners of Ayush and traditional medicine to offer services in the EU with great clarity and confidence. Sustainability in other key focus. The agreement integrates labor standards, environmental protection, policy dialogues, and technical assistance and financial cooperation. Special mechanisms have been created to resolve dispute quickly and address sensitive policy concerns. The biggest challenges during negotiations was opening markets without harming sensitive stakeholder interest, especially in agriculture and dairy. Both sides show flexibility, and the EU acknowledged ideas development needs. In today's world of supply chain disruptions, the India EU free the India EU free trade agreements will complete complement India's other trade agreements and strength in economic resilience. It will also act as a uh, catalyst for deeper economic and trade engagement. Overall, this agreement is a major steps towards expanded markets access, closer economic integration, statistic autonomy, and long terms growth. Economic history shows that prosperity grow when national trade under fair, predictable, and rules-based system. And this agreement follow that very principle. Thank you for watching. If you found this video, please and helpful, like, shares, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.